In this video, we will talk about the differences between ACD skills and WEM skills. We know about the ACD skills that when calls come in, they automatically get transferred to the agent with that particular skill. For example, when you call your service provider and press 1 for English, it gets transferred to the particular agent with that skill. Similarly, you can press 2 for another language and the call gets transferred to the agent with that skill and so on. So, this way, the calls are automatically transferred to the agents with a particular skill, whether it be a billing query or a tech support assistance. All this happens seamlessly based on the options you press on the phone. On the other hand, we have WEM skills. So, let's log in and discuss WEM skills. On the portal, under admin, you will see WEM skills. Then click on new WEM skills on the top right to create a new skill. You can choose it to be inbound or outbound. On the other hand, for ACD skills, you can go back, select ACD. Here you can see the ACD users and the skill. Now, what does WEM stand for? It stands for Workforce Engagement Management. Now, it is used to manage, improve, and support agents by focusing on scheduling or performance evaluation or training and coaching or forecasting. In other words, WEM helps managers to train, schedule, and improve agent performance in the NICE CX. Now, what does that mean? It means that the managers can access the agent performance reports to better understand the agent's performance. So, to answer the call, we use ACD, and post call review can be done using WEM. This helps to understand how the calls went. It helps in delivering personalized coaching and feedback to individual agents or to the team. It helps in understanding training needs, understanding the pattern to know when the call volume would be high so that proper staffing could be planned in advance. All of this and a little more comes under workforce engagement management. That is, this helps to manage the engaged workforce. This tool is also used by managers to get real time reports for better management. That is it for today, and stay tuned for more. Thank you.